Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make sure your PC is running at its best for gaming Windows 11. So first, go to the search bar and type adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. When the window opens, select adjust for best performance, click apply, then OK. Next, go back to the search bar and type defragment and optimize drives. Open the tool, select all your drives one by one and click optimize now. Type disk cleanup in the search bar, choose your main drive, and once it loads, select all the items listed, then click OK to delete unnecessary files. Press Ctrl Shift and Escape on your keyboard. At the same time, to open Task Manager, click the Startup tab and then right click and disable everything you don't need running at startup. If you have Discord installed, open it, go to settings, scroll down to game overlay and turn it off. If you have Steam, open it and click on settings, go to the in-game section and turn off the Steam overlay. Type game mode in the search bar, open game mode settings and turn it on, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.